Hello everyone, Pioneer. I greet you all from all over the world. What is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the button to subscribe to Pi News World and also click like, comment and share. Come in the comments and write PiNetwork to the moon. Ooh, wow, Pioneer! Did you know you are one of the biggest investors in cryptocurrency? Because of PiNetwork, as of today, you are a millionaire. Your time is money. In a move that has sent shockwaves through financial markets and the cryptocurrency world, former US President Donald J. Trump made a stunning announcement on February 20th, 2025. Against all expectations, Trump declared that the official national cryptocurrency reserve of the United States would not be Bitcoin, but PiNetwork. The decision has sparked intense debate and speculation across the global financial sector. For months, the assumption was that the US government would align itself with Bitcoin, following in the footsteps of individual states and other nations that have recognized BTC as the premier digital asset. However, in a dramatic turn of events, Trump has chosen a different path, one that could redefine the cryptocurrency landscape. For years, Bitcoin has been considered the gold standard of cryptocurrencies. It has been widely adopted by major institutions, recognized as legal tender in several countries, and used as a store of value comparable to gold. The majority of US states had already declared Bitcoin as their digital reserve currency, making it the natural choice for federal adoption. Yet, Trump's decision to back PiNetwork has upended those expectations. Speaking at a press conference in Washington, D.C., the former president outlined his rationale for selecting PiNetwork over Bitcoin. PiNetwork represents the future of digital finance. It is decentralized, energy efficient, and accessible to the masses. This is about giving power back to the people, making financial transactions smoother, fairer, and more secure, Trump stated to a crowd of reporters. The announcement immediately sent cryptocurrency markets into turmoil. Bitcoin experienced a sharp drop in value, while PiNetwork, which had long been considered an experimental project, saw an unprecedented surge in interest and trading activity. The ramifications of Trump's declaration are profound. Until now, PiNetwork had remained outside the mainstream cryptocurrency elite, overshadowed by Bitcoin and Ethereum. While PiNetwork's proponents had long championed its ease of use and innovative mining process, few expected it to become the chosen reserve currency of the world's largest economy. Markets reacted with a mix of excitement and skepticism. Cryptocurrency exchanges saw a flood of trading activity as investors scrambled to either capitalize on or hedge against the sudden shift in policy. Financial analysts were divided, with some praising the decision as a bold step toward financial inclusivity, while others warned of the risks associated with adopting a relatively untested cryptocurrency as a national reserve asset. This is a seismic shift, said financial expert Daniel Harrison. If PiNetwork proves to be as scalable and sustainable as its developers claim, this could be the start of a new era in digital finance. But if it fails to live up to expectations, it could destabilize not just the US economy but global markets as well. The decision has fueled widespread speculation about Trump's motives. Some believe that the move is part of a well-calculated strategy that has been in the works for years. There are rumors that the US government and major financial institutions have been quietly accumulating PiNetwork tokens, positioning themselves for a smooth transition once the announcement was made. Others see it as a risky and unpredictable gamble. Critics argue that Bitcoin, with its well-established infrastructure and global adoption, was the safer choice. They question whether PiNetwork has the technological robustness to handle large-scale transactions on a national level. Still, Trump remains confident in his decision. In a follow-up statement, he hinted at a broader plan to integrate PiNetwork into government-backed financial systems, potentially using it as a medium for tax payments, international trade, and economic stimulus programs. The world is changing. We cannot be stuck in outdated financial models while the future is right in front of us, Trump asserted. PiNetwork will revolutionize the way we think about money, and America will lead the charge. With the endorsement of a former US president, PiNetwork is no longer just a grassroots cryptocurrency project, it is now at the center of a global financial debate. The question remains, will other nations follow suit? If the US successfully integrates PiNetwork into its economy, it could set a precedent for other governments to reconsider their stance on cryptocurrency adoption. Some analysts believe that China, the European Union, and other economic powerhouses may now feel compelled to explore alternative digital currencies beyond Bitcoin. On the other hand, the decision could trigger regulatory pushback from institutions like the Federal Reserve and the International Monetary Fund, both of which have historically been cautious about cryptocurrencies disrupting traditional financial structures. One thing is certain, the world has just witnessed one of the most unexpected and dramatic moments in cryptocurrency history. Whether PiNetwork's rise to prominence will mark the beginning of a new financial era, or prove to be a short-lived experiment remains to be seen. But as of now, the era of PiNetwork has officially begun.